Hi everyone! Thank you for watching this video. This is Sheva from Berry Mix Journals over at Instagram. Today, before I go ahead and show you my design project for the Paper Cameo, I just wanted to apologize for the light. I've waited all day for the sun to come out, but it's been very cloudy, so I'm sorry if the lighting is a little bit wonky, but hopefully you can still see the beauty of this project. I am very much in love with this folio. I had a lot of fun putting it together, and a bit of a confession, towards the last part of December until early January, I was in a complete slump, like creative slump, creative block. I haven't touched any of my craft materials, my journaling materials. I haven't done anything until I saw this this new kit from Nikki. So thank you, Nikki, for the inspiration, and thank you also to Tonya of Let's Design Creative. I will link her channel down below in the description because she is the queen of folios. Like, you should watch her Craft With Me series here on YouTube. She just creates the most amazing folios with lots of elements, lots of interesting flips and flaps. So if you want to go ahead and watch where I got my inspiration, you can go ahead and watch her Craft With Me. But in the meantime, yeah, I just wanted to share this folio project, which is my design team project for the Paper Cameo. As I mentioned earlier, I used the Valentine's kits as well as I think a Posy Post and Rose Blush. So those are the kits that I used. So basically, it's a folio made out of a folder. So I used a manila folder, file folder, basically as the base for this folio, and then I just of course use the different kits to as cover for the pages. So it opens up, it's just tied together with a string like this, and the string is attached to the first flap. So this is what the front looks like. This is from the Valentine's kit. I think all of it is from the Valentine's kit except this one, and of course this vintage playing card. But I just have this rose cameo here. It's made from, I forgot what I used, but I had some leftover clay from my son's kit. I think he has a toy. Someone gifted him a clay toy, and then I just used it. Some of the leftovers for my own projects. So the first front, the front flap, the front cover has this in front, and then I just have these tucked in front of it. So lots of writing space. As I said, this is a plain card and a doily. Then this is the front. This is a background paper from the Valentine's kit. Then I just have vintage lace up in here, and everything is stitched as well. So this one goes in there, and then when you flip it out, I don't know how I'll be able to make everything fit. This is going to be huge, but yeah, in the flip out, we just have this envelope. This envelope actually, I think I just shrunk a regular size envelope to a smaller size. So you can do that basically in all of the kit. So you can shrunk the tags, the envelopes, basically any ephemera. This is also background paper. This is part of the kit, that pocket. That's actually part of the kit already. Just need to cut it out. And then this is my favorite little ephemera from the whole Valentine's kit. I don't know why. I just really love this envelope. And then what I did is just add this. So I just added this paper so that it, you know, it adds more writing space. So you can remove this string as you're, you know, writing on it, then to make it a secret so that not everyone can see it, you can tie it, or you can totally just opt not to tie it. But yeah, that's that. And then tucked inside this front flap are just two, these are part of the kit already, so you just need to cut them out, just back them with vintage book page, stitched, then added an eyelet and strings. So that's the first flap. And then when you flip it up, you have this. Okay, how are we gonna do this? I think this is okay. This is the first flap altogether. Maybe I'll do this bit first and then we'll do the top part. So this is the middle flap, I would say. So you have this that flips out, and then this pocket is part of the kit. Tucked inside are just this vintage ephemera. Those are real vintage ephemera. Then this envelope, I think this is from the Posy Post kit. Have a note card there. That note card is just a shrunken background paper that I made into a smaller size. I printed it smaller so that it can fit inside as a note card. This is background paper from the Valentine's kit. When you flip it open, another background paper from the Valentine's kit. This pocket is part of the kit, as well as this little tag in there. More jumbo tags. This too I backed with vintage notebook paper for more writing space. And then there's also this big card. This one is part of the kit as well, and gives you more writing space. So that's the middle, and then I just keep it together using this clip. So it goes like that. And then let's go here. So this is the top flap. It is held together with this string. You have more strings here. You can use that. This is just a cutout. And then these are two envelopes. Both are envelopes from the kit with some note cards inside. Another note card here. Let's try to get it out. So those are inside the envelopes. And then this part I just kept blank because I really like that paper. So it just closes like that. And then you just tie it back in place. Okay. There. So that's the top bit. And then when you open this up, let's go here. You have this page or this flip. This one has this floating heart with some vintage tickets tucked in this seal belly band. Then this is a background paper from the Valentine's kit. It is actually a secret pocket. And there's another tag hidden inside. When you flip it open, You just have this background paper. This is actually a tuck spot. If you want to tuck something in there, you can. Yeah, like that. So that's the top bit. And then here you have another envelope flip out with a note card inside. Then more tags here, backed with vintage notebook paper. And then this middle part just has an envelope. This envelope is also a tuck spot, and then tucked inside is this floating pocket. You have this cutout, some vintage playing cards, and vintage ephemera. So those are all authentic vintage bits. Okay, and then goes in there, just have an embellished tag, goes in. And then this is a vintage check in pink, so I thought it went really well in there. Then this is the envelope. It closes with a velcro, and then you just have some vintage bits. This one is a note card, and then I just added the butterflies, also from the kit. Okay. Then close it. And then last bits, maybe I'll do this first. This one is also held together with a string. So this one has another one of those mini envelopes that I've shrunk down. And then there's a vintage card in there, some vintage ephemera you can get. This heart is also part of the kit, as well as the envelope. Tucked in there are just some vintage tickets. Close that. Open it. This one also has a note card tucked inside. And then this page just has some bits tucked in there. It's just a tea-dyed paper, a cutout, and then this. I really love this. This is also from the kit. I just didn't know how to use it as a flap because I wanted it to have, you know, both sides. But maybe you can turn it into a, you know, an envelope or something like that. So that's that part. And then let's close this up. All right, then this part is the last bit. This is part of the kit. This is a pocket that I just turned into a flip, and then behind it is a belly band with some authentic ephemera. This one I really love. See that? So pretty. More pink ephemera in there. Let's add the boot, and then this card. Alright, then that's the first flip. Then this is the second flip. This is also a pocket, a big card in there. This one flips out. This is just a card with some tickets, and then another vintage cutout, die cut there. Okay, then these are two pockets with just a tag, tucked in there, then a note card. It's a little bit hard to get in, so I didn't embellish them. So that's it, basically. The folio, Valentine's folio. Oh, the back is just plain. Just have this background paper so that it will lay flat. That's it. That's my project for Valentine's Day, I guess, for the Paper Cameo using the Valentine's digital kit, Posy Post, and Rose Blush. So those are the kits that I used. I hope you like this video. I hope you find some inspiration. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!